Hello dear friends, welcome to Tag on Tech channel. In this video, how to activate the request message of unknown people. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Let's go. Step 1. Open your Instagram account, click your profile and click setting and deactivity. After clicking setting, click message and request and click message controls. Click other people, others on Instagram. For example, don't receive. Click. If you are active the option, click message request option. Okay, updating. Click update setting. Very easy. You can choose the option according to your personal opinion. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tech on Tech.